At Simple Instruction, we are dedicated to providing the highest quality first aid and CPR training in Sydney. Our qualified and experienced instructors are passionate about equipping individuals with the skills and knowledge to respond confidently in emergency situations. Whether you're an individual looking to learn life-saving techniques, or a company wanting to ensure the safety of your employees, we have the right course for you. Our training programs are designed to be relevant, informative, and engaging. We believe that learning should be an enjoyable experience, so we strive to create a relaxed and friendly atmosphere where participants feel comfortable asking questions and practicing their skills. Book your course with Simple Instruction today.